Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got your Carolina chiropractor, Dr. West, down here from Duncan, South Carolina. And they take him and Dr. Tuttle up there at Premier Chiropractic Clinic, or Solutions. Yes. Premier Chiropractic Solutions in Duncan, South Carolina. And they both have been here and done my 3-day seminar, and they've learned what we do here for examinations, histories, biomechanics, biophysics, XYZ adjusting, and specifically the ring dinger. And they have all become proficient in the ring dinger. And we've been ring dingering each other here for the last 3 days, right?
Yes, sir.
And I feel pretty good. How you feel?
I feel great. Ready to go.
I feel great, so can you. That's my slogan.
Yes, sir.
So let's have a look at your posture, and we're going to do this is Dr. West's final ring dinger today. Let's have you flex forward and backwards. Yes, sir, man. You're looking good. And he looks like Tom Brady, huh? And y'all made comments like that on his videos, but
I get that a lot.
He's got a great personality like Tom Brady, too. And he's very dedicated to his patients in chiropractic, and I respect that immensely. So is Dr. Tuttle. Slide the, yep, there you go. Yep. So you guys should have your Team Ring Dinger sign up there pretty soon, too.
Yeah, it's probably up. That's probably up.
There we go. All right. Notice I never scrimp on that tightness on the pins. Deep breath. There it is, right there. Home run every time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's good. I see, a lot of times, I just like getting the ring dinger without all the other adjustments because I feel totally straight with the ring dinger, decompressing my entire spine. That's what I need after doing this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday all day long. Because we've been seeing a lot of patients, haven't we, Doctor?
Yes, sir. You have.
Yeah.
I've observed a lot.
Yeah. But that's what it's all about. You've observed a lot of different varieties of patients in here this week too, huh? From everywhere.
Yep. All kinds.
Yep. I'm gonna hold these guys here. Head back this way. There we go. Okay, now flex your hip forward and backwards again. That should have felt good.
Yes, with the
very nice. So what would you share with the chiropractors who are watching this video and wanting to know if advanced chiropractic seminars is a real deal or not?
If you have any interest, I would say come and see what it's all about. It's the real deal. You're going to see how thorough the examination procedures are and the clinical aspects, and then you're going to get a lot of information about how to adjust different kinds of people. And yeah,
from herniated disc to scoliosis
kinds,
to degenerative disc, everything.
All kinds.
So this is your Houston chiropractor, and this is your Carolina chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas on day 3 of Advanced Chiropractic Seminars. We'll see y'all soon.